Hello everyone, good evening all. How are you all? I can see some regular faces like Vedanshi and all. Hi Vedanshi, hello, how are you? You can give high five to me if you're hearing. Hello, hello Snigdha. Hi, hello Jignasa. How are you Vedanshi? Good to see you again. Hello. Are you all excited for today's class? Do you know what we are going to do today? Thumbs up, Snigdha. Hello, everyone. Please get myself Anshu. As you know, we have done lots of classes earlier also, and today also we are going to do something with clay dough, right? And what something is that? I'll tell you in some time. So gather your material quickly. You know already what are the lists, okay? Everything. And yeah, one more important thing, if you have talcum powder at home, please get it, and a scale. Talcum powder, if you have at home, please gather all this stuff, okay? Your clay dough, your scale, a white sheet if you have, or any drawing paper. And I guess everyone has got this clay, right? We will be needing a scale as well. Then your acrylic colors, your brush, and we'll start within a minute, okay? So how are you all? Are you all excited for the class? Can you give me thumbs up? Okay, let's get started. So today we are going to make a beautiful pond, okay? A beautiful duck pond. So first of all, everybody will take out your blue color, okay? Whichever blue color you have, we'll be needing blue color, okay? Some of green color, pink color, and for duck, obviously, yellow color, right? So take out your blue color first of all, and then just mold it, okay? Because it's very hard, you have to press it properly, okay? And if you do not have blue color or any other colors, you can use only white color, okay? Just flatten it properly. If you don't have blue color, you can use white color as well, okay? So take out your blue color. Flatten it up properly, and then just put it on the paper, okay? As we are making a pond, so it should not be like in proper shape, okay? You can give any shape, whatever you like. Just flatten it up with your thumb, with your finger. You can make it oval, you can make it in a circle. You just need to put lot of pressure. And make it as big as you can, okay? If it is hard, it's okay, no problem. And you just have to keep it like this on the paper. You just need to press it very harder to make it softer. Okay. Like this. Then only it will become very soft. अगर आपके पास कलरफुल नहीं है तो आप सिर्फ व्हाइट कलर का भी यूज कर सकते हो. ठीक है. तो हमें पहले एक स्मॉल पॉन्ड बनाना है. इसको हम कोई भी शेप दे सकते हैं, ओवल और सर्कल, एनीथिंग. You can make it square, whatever you like. Okay, like this. So I'm not making too big, okay? Just a small one. मैं ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं बना रही हूँ और आप भी छोटा ही रखो, ठीक है? देन अभी इसके अराउंड हमें एक बाउंड्री बनानी है. So for that we will be using green color. Okay. Now again you have to use any green whatever you have. और जिनके पास कलरफुल क्ले नहीं है, they will color this later on, not now. First we will complete the entire sculpture and then you can color. Now take your green color और इसको ऐसे रोल करके थोड़ा फ्लैट करना है हमें, ठीक है? Just roll it with your palm and then अब हमें इसके अराउंड we have to create one boundary. Okay, so again it should not be perfect. इस तरह ऊपर नीचे up and down position में you have to make a boundary around it. जिस शेप में आपका पॉन्ड है उसी शेप में you have to create your boundary as well. Okay. Again, it should not be perfect. Just stretch this and make a boundary around it. I hope it's not difficult for you. It's very easy. Just stretch that clay as much as you can. Okay. And put a boundary around it. Those who do not have colorful clay, they can use white. And later on, for blue area, you will color blue. For boundary, you will give green color. I hope everyone is done till here. Just give me thumbs up. If you have done till here, then we'll go ahead. Everyone, please give me a thumbs up. Now, the next thing are dark. Okay, so for that, you will be needing yellow color. Or you can use orange color as well if you want for a dark. Now again, you have to make it softer, you have to press it. You have to squeeze this. Take the yellow color, just roll it. Now you have to make it into two parts, okay? One for head and one for body. So for head, we will take out smaller portion, okay? And for body, little big, okay? So make it little softer. You can roll it like this. A big portion for body and the smaller portion for head, okay? You have to make a circle out of it, a ball out of it, like this. Okay? So this is for our head part and this is for body. Now you have to take a look carefully. Now, first of all, make a ball, okay? If this much is done, then what you have to do next, you have to little flatten it up, okay? Like this. Take a look. Put a pressure on that ball using your thumb, okay? Make it a little flatter. And then from other side, put your thumb and finger and make it like a rectangle, okay? Like this. First make a ball, then flatten it up with your thumb. Then give pressure from both the sides to make it rectangle, okay? Like this. I hope everyone has done till here. Shall we go ahead? Just give me thumbs up if you all are done till here. Okay, then now next thing what we have to do, you have to take one side towards, put a pressure like this, okay, from one side, okay, like this, and take it. We have to make a tail, right? So it should be from one side, you have to put little bit pressure, make it little pointed, and then put it little upper side like this, okay? I hope it's visible properly. Give a pressure from one side, make it pointed towards any one side, from here or from here, doesn't matter. Put it pressure, make it like a cone shape, and then पहले उसका बॉल बनाना है, देन वी हैव टू उसको रेक्टेंगुलर शेप देना है, देन एक साइड से उसे पॉइंटेड बना के फिर उसका टेल थोड़ा ऊपर ले जाना है, ठीक है? सो इट विल लुक लाइक दिस. I hope everyone understood. The tail will go on upper side, okay? Then the next thing, we have to put this ball, make a proper ball and just keep it on another side. Ta-da! Our duck is ready, the body and the face, okay? Now before putting it over here, we will add a beak, For that, you will be needing orange color, little bit of orange color, and black color for eyes. Now take out your orange color, the small portion, because our duck is very small, tiny one. Take a smaller portion for beak. As you all know that the beak of duck is very big, right? So flatten it up from one side. Again, from one side, it will be little pointed, okay? And then we are going to add this beak over here, right? Isn't it looking cute, right? Now the last thing we have to add an eye. For that, use your black color. If you do not have black color, you can use your acrylic color. Take out your black color and just give two small points on both the sides, okay? I'm using my clay. If you do not have clay, black color clay, you can add two small circles on the top here with acrylic color, black acrylic color. Now for eyes, we'll be needing very small portion, okay? Then again, make a ball out of it and then just stick it on one side. Be careful. If you have a soft clay, just be careful, okay? And from another side. Isn't it cute, right? Now we are going to place this duck inside this pond. Wherever you like, you can keep it over here or over here. Doesn't matter. Like this. Are you guys done till here? Shall we move ahead? Can you give me thumbs up? If you're done till here, anything is difficult for you? Now we are going to add some flower over here, okay? For that, again, you'll be needing a green color first. A small portion of green color, just take it out. Make a roll out of it again, very small portion. And then flatten up. If you do not have colorful clay, everything you have to do it with white color clay. And then later on, you can color it using acrylic color. Do not use watercolor or poster color. Just make a flat circle. Like this. Now we are going to make a beautiful flower out of it. I'm using pink color. You can use whatever color you like. Okay, any color flower you can make. First, a circle with green color. Then use any color, whatever you like. Okay, a small bowl. Like this, and then we will keep this one. Okay, before that, what we have to do, ये जो हमने ग्रीन कलर का सर्कल बनाया है उसको हम एक साइड से ऐसे कट करेंगे, ठीक है, ट्रायंगुलर इसमें, एंड देन वी विल टेक आउट दैट पोर्शन, सो लाइक दिस। वी शेप में हम थोड़ा सा कट करेंगे और वो पोर्शन वी विल टेक इट आउट लाइक दिस। Everyone just take a look what I did. Make a green circle, then from one side just take out a little bit of clay in a V shape, okay? That will be a leaf. Keep it aside like this, and then take the other color, whichever color you want, keep it on this on one side, उसके ऊपर ऐसे रख के then थोड़ा सा you have to put pressure और उसको flat बनाना है थोड़ा, ठीक है? Then I had told you to use toothpick. अब toothpick लेना है. I hope everyone is done till here. Okay. First a circle with green color. उसको cut करना है हमने V shape में. Take out that portion. Okay. And then whichever color you like for flower, you can use that. I have used here pink color. A small ball. Then flat करना है उसको. And then with a pencil or anything, you can add a small hole over here, exactly in the middle, okay, like this. Put a hole, okay. Then from these sides, we have to take a help of toothpick and just draw the lines like this, okay, like this. So your flower will be ready, okay. With the help of toothpick, you just have to add few lines from all over circle. Like this. Just take a look. Isn't it looking beautiful? Now you can keep inside the pond. Okay. If you want, we can make one more. Again, same thing. Take green color. Okay. Make a ball. Am I going too fast? Just let me know. Make a ball. Then इसको flat करना है. ठीक है? Small circle. If you have made the circle, next thing, same, you have to repeat. Like a V shape. And take out that extra part. Like this. Okay, like this. I hope everyone is done till here. Anything is difficult, please let me know. I'll explain again. Very good. Now you can change the color of flower, whichever you want, but I'm using again pink color. Take a small amount of any color, whichever you like. Again, make a ball out of it. Small portion, okay? Do not take too big. Make a ball. फिर उसको हमने इस लीफ पे प्लेस करना है, like this. ओके थोड़ा उसे फ्लैट करना है हमें. And then exactly in the middle we are going to put one hole. Okay, like this. Then the next thing, take your toothpick and just draw the lines. All around the circle. So that's it. Another flower is ready. How is it till now? Did you all like it? If yes, please give me thumbs up. Can you try it again? I hope everyone is done till here. Thank you so much. Prislin, thank you for thumbs up. Thank you, Irene. Thank you for thumbs up. Now we have a little bit of time. So what we are going to do, next thing, take your brown color, okay? Brown color. Those who do not have everything, you have to do it with white color. And then later on, you can color it. A small amount of brown color. So we need 3 of them, okay? One small portion, one little bigger portion, and again a small portion like this, 3. So smaller, middle, and bigger. Again, make a roll out of it. Make it into a ball. Like this, 3 of them. Now we have to give a stone kind of a shape to it. Just flat it up a little bit. Okay, it could be in any shape, like a rock, you know. And you can place anywhere over here. I'm placing on this side. You can place anywhere. Take another one. उसको थोड़ा सा flat करना है हमने. You can give any shape. One I'll place over here, like this. Okay, you can place anywhere, wherever you want. You can give any shape. And the third one I am placing over here. Okay, just like a rock. I hope you are done till here. Just 2 or 3 are more than enough. Okay, later on you can add more. Then again we will give little grass over here. Okay, somewhere here and there. So for that, again a green color. So take out small portion. You know how grass looks, right? Very thin, but we cannot make very thinner out of this. Otherwise it will break down because it's very soft. So take this much of portion, flat. From one corner, you have to make it a little pointed, right? So थोड़ा सा इसको flat करना है. ऊपर से थोड़ा pointed रखना है. And then जहां पर हमने rock लगाया हुआ है, वहां पे हम इसको प्लेस करेंगे ऐसे, ठीक है, like this. Then again we'll take a small portion, same thing, just flatten it up from one side, make it little pointed like this, and you can place anywhere, wherever you want. Again, I am placing over here, the other one. उसको थोड़ा सा आप tilt कर सकते हो to give natural look, right? We can add more. So again, a small portion of green color. थोड़ा flat करना है उसको. From one side, we will make it pointed. एक side से हम pointed करेंगे. And then stick near the stone, wherever you want to. Like this. Few you can add somewhere else. Same thing, you have to repeat. इसको flat करना है, small portion लेके one side से pointed करना है, and then I'm adding over here a little bit. Like this. The other one. One more. You can little tilt this from any other side. I'm adding one more. Take small portion, flat it up. एक साइड से pointed रखना है. And then stick it. Like this. So I hope everyone is done till here. Can you give me thumbs up if you're done? So that's it. Our duck pond is ready. Can you show me, everyone? If you're done, how is it looking? Isn't it looking nice? Can you show me yours, everyone? If you liked it, please give me thumbs up. Very nice, Nigda. Good job, Hiren. Very nice. Those who have done with white color, they can give color right now. Okay? If you have time, if you are free, just give color. For duck, you know which color? water with blue color, then flower, give whichever color you want. For boundary, again, green color, and you can make grass with green color. Very nice. Did you like it? Everyone? If you liked it, please give thumbs up. How was it? Thank you, Erin. Thank you, Snigdha. Will you try again? Did you like it? Thank you so much. I hope you've enjoyed the activity. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you've learned something. Was it difficult for you? Very nice. Good job. High five for everyone. Everyone has done very nicely. And I hope everyone has done on their own without any help. I don't think so it was difficult. Am I right? Was it difficult? Thank you, Snigdha, for the heart. Thank you, everyone. If you're done, you may leave. Thank you so much. There. Thank you so much for the heart. See you next time with another fun activity. I hope every one of you will join next time as well.